store. I didn't know you got a Dodge Charger. I know, Porsche, you got a Chevrolet. Yeah, I know. So I have to go somewhere. Bye. See ya later. Okay, ready for it? Whoa! Turn it off! Whoa! You scare me. That is like a Dodge Charger home. Dodge Charger home, not this one. Just come in my car. Fine. Yo, just come in my car, you little. Oh my god. That was so funny, guys. So we're about to go somewhere else. So, bye. See ya later. And like and subscribe if you like friends. So bye.